Go to Settings. Roll down to the bottom and choose Apps. Choose Calendar. Tab Calendar Accounts. Tab Add Account. Choose Google. Sign in your Google account. Allow full access to Gmail. Go back to the page for setting calendar. Roll down and choose Sync. Choose All Events. Go back and choose Default Calendar. Choose your Gmail account. Now we are looking at iPhone calendar. Let's add a new event. You will find that in this line named Calendar, it shows your Google account. That means the new added event will be synchronized to your Google account. But let's go back to iPhone calendar. You will find that all the original events in your iPhone calendar are different from your new added event, because these are belong to the Apple calendar. Unfortunately, according to all the tutorials we found on the internet, the only way to make these original events shown on your Google Calendar is to set the calendar account of each event manually, like this. But don't worry, we are all moving forward. We suggest that you can manually change the events around this week or this month, and it won't be a problem in the future because after the settings, all the new added events will be synchronized to Google Calendar automatically.